Hello friends, today we will learn how to use images in Excel formulas with the option buttons. I will show you a little demo first. Here we have two categories. One is commodity and it's come under category fruits and vegetables. In commodity I have taken 6 examples: apple, banana, pineapple and so on. So here it is, these are the radio buttons. So I will tell you in detail how to get these, and these are the images which are fitted into the cells. So I will select if the banana here, you can see the output changes also. This is pineapple, this is broccoli. Now it's vegetable also changing here between pineapple or this. You can see as I select the options, different options, these are called option buttons. So the output here changes along with the images. Now how can we do that in Excel? Let's proceed. So I am going to take a fresh worksheet. So then we will discuss there. Here I am taking new sheet. So I will copy text only. So I will copy this text only in that sheet, so that here I just paste it. Okay, some photographs also coming with, because I will delete it first. Okay, now you can see here I have pasted this. Now I can also copy this. This is only text, we can type it here, no problem, right? Now I'll make just make it little row size larger. Okay, so you can see here that I have selected the text. Now I have also make cells for the output. So look here, this is the JKL. Here you can see little large, right? We can make it here, and this is large. Okay, and we can also make it this one. You can see I am just bordering here and changing the background color only. So now the first step is we want to insert the images here. So these are my images. You can see here I will copy the references from here, the address bar, sorry. So here I will where I want to put image, here. So select the cell first. Now insert picture. Now I will put here our path we have already copied. Insert. Now apple, select apple here, insert. Now we have to insert this into the cell. Now press the alt key, keep pressing alt key, and using the mouse fit the fruit into the cell. It's very easy. Let's do it again. For banana, select the cell here, insert picture, banana, press the alt key again, keep pressing alt key, it will cling to the cell. Now similarly for pineapple, so pressing alt key and horizontally and vertically, don't do it diagonally. Insert picture, this is for broccoli. Okay, pressing alt key. Okay, and now it's done for bitter gourd. So here, and it will cling already. If you are keep pressing alt key, there will be no problem in inserting the picture into the cell. Again picture, brinjal, insert. Now here and here. So this part is over. Okay, now I want to insert option button here. So option buttons comes under developer tag. Developer tag, insert here. In some systems this option is not available. So what we can do, click here, Excel options, and this is the show developer tab in the ribbon. so it is ticked here. And if your developer tab is not visible, so you can tick here and press OK. This must be ticked, then this developer option will be enabled. Now I want to insert option button, so I want to insert here option button. So insert, these are the buttons, various buttons. So this is the button, the option button. Look here, where cursor comes here, it's called option button. Now I get the command here, and by keep pressing mouse left button, I draw here mouse button. So it has also a title to it, so I will delete that. Select here and keep pressing delete. It is deleted. We no need of the title here, na? So I will keep little centering here. You can use arrows, right arrow key and left arrow keys. Okay. Now this one option button, we need 6 buttons, so keep pressing it, and when I select it, and now Control C, Control V. Now keep with the arrows, just do it. It is little faster here with the arrows. Then Control C, Control V. It's already selected. Then Control C, Control V again. I am using arrow keys. Control C, Control V. Control C, Control V. Okay, we have 6 option button now, and we need to assign a reference point for this. This is format macro. This is cell link. We keep it like here, A2. Okay, so and 3D shading, you can check it. It is not required, otherwise you can check it also. Okay, now you see that this option, when it's clicked, it's 1 here. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These have been referenced to here point. So 1 is this, 2 is this, 3 is this, so on. Right? Now we want to next part is this output side. We want commodity to be displayed here. When we click here, the apple should come here in commodity, and in category it should come fruit, and in symbol apple should come here. So I will use for these 2 outputs, I will use index and match. Let's do it. So I am keeping numbering here from 1 to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So I have numbered this. This is done because we want to use index and match functions here. So let's do how that is equal to. We are using index function first. Index is asking for array. This array is basically what should be the output here. Output is our apple to brinjal. So I am keep selecting this. This is our the output. Comma. Now I am inserting match function inside the index function. Match lookup value. What should be lookup value? Lookup value is this 1, right? And what's the lookup array? That is the 1 to 6, right? And then comma. This is now match type. Match type is exact match 0. I type 0 here. You can press directly enter and then again enter. So this is apple. Okay, in category also we want to drag this to, so that our formula comes here also, but there will be a problem. I show you how you can rectify that. First I drag there. You see it is not accepting this formula. It is because we have referenced it wrongly. See here, if I double click here, this is F4 to F9. See, F4 to F9, this is perfectly okay. This should be the output here, because we have dragged to the right side, it has automatically come. But here you see B2 is there instead of A1, A2 sorry, and D4 to D9 is also wrong. This 1 to 6 has been changed to T, because we have dragged the formula to right side. So what we should do? I am pressing escape key. So here we should change the formula. How? This E4 to E9, it's okay, it's not to be disturbed. Here A2 we put, I will keep pressing F4 F4, or you can put dollar sign here, but if pressing F4 will work. And from C4 to C9 you can see, so you have to press F4 key again for both. Now it's okay. Press enter. Now if we drag to right, it will work. Okay, I'm just for beautifying, I'm in making it little larger and making it bold. Okay, now there's come the second part, image. Now how to insert the image? Insert, click insert, then object, here bitmap image. Okay, so close it, and here pressing alt key you can we just cling to the cell, that's image inserted. So this is now image object. Basically we want to give reference from this images. So how can do that? So that is now click this image. Now use formulas, name manager. Okay, now here select new, name here say fruit. Okay, so this object is to be changed. I say indirect formula is to be used, indirect function, sorry, indirect function. This is J2, if you say J2. Okay, because this value is required, we will fix this value also. I'll tell you later on. This okay. Okay, now close. Now this value we have to put here fruit also, because see here is fruit, come here, select here, press enter. Okay, we have done the referencing part of this. Now we have to do this for each image. Now this image, go to name image, name manager, new, I say apple. Here the spellings must be same, apple, and this spellings and this spelling must be same. Okay, in reference I will give reference of this G3. So for G3 I will select first F3, because it will not go to that G3, I have to give it manually. G4, sorry, G4. Okay, then it's okay. Okay, then again press close, and for this fruit now select this name manager, new, banana. For this I will select this first, and it is G5. Okay, okay, now close this one, third image. Okay, name manager, new, and this is pineapple. Okay, pineapple. This is G6. Okay, okay, then new, sorry, not here, we'll close it and select this. Okay, now select new, this is broccoli. Spelling must be same, huh? That is the requirement. So we can select this here first and then changing to G7. Okay, okay, close this one, name manager, new, this is bitter gourd. One more thing, use underscore if there is a space. In bitter gourd there was a space, I have used underscore that, so I delete it. I will use this, and G8 I have to do it manually because we cannot select the image portion here by this. Okay, close, and this one, last one, new, this is brinjal. Okay, so this is G9. Okay, okay, close. Now you can see that it is changing. This is apple, and this apple fruit is also changing. This is banana fruit, pineapple fruit, broccoli vegetable, bitter gourd vegetable, brinjal vegetable, right? This is what our mission was accomplished. Now you can hide these cells, and you can see it's our doing perfectly, right? Okay. Sorry, I have hide actually D also, sorry. Okay, this is working fine. Okay, this is working. Okay, if there is any problem, you can comment to me, and you have not subscribed to my channel, you can subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.